Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all? Good. What is the speciality of August? Independence Day. When do we celebrate Independence Day? 15th of August. Okay. Then, when did we get freedom?
1945.
We got freedom in 1947. Very good. Who ruled our country?
British.
Okay, British ruled our country. After 200 years, we got this independence after many sacrifices. Okay? These are the things you know very well about our independence. Now, can we do this activity? Speech. Have you heard any? We regularly listen speeches. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, it is your turn to speak something on a topic. That is, what is the topic? Independence Day. Importance of Independence Day. So, we are going to talk about Independence Day. You have listened many speeches. How do the people start the speech? Can anybody tell me? Yes, please.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Can you please say it loudly?
Good morning, everyone.
Okay. Anything? Don't they address someone?
Respected headmasters are
Good. So, generally in speech, we address the people who are present in the event. In our schools, generally, we'll have our headmasters, teachers, and all students. So, how can we address? Please, Ramcharan.
respected headmasters and teachers and my dear friends.
Okay. Respected headmaster, sir.
Teachers,
Don't use and again and again. You have to use and at the end. Okay. Can you repeat it?
respected headmasters are teachers and my dear friends.
Friends, how do you greet?
A very good afternoon.
Okay, a very good afternoon. Good, very good. So here, this is called addressing. Addressing and greeting. Respected headmaster, teacher, and my dear friends, a very good morning, a very good afternoon. Okay, then how can you introduce? Please be seated. Yeah, so, Dinesh.
My name is Dinesh. I am studying in 7th class in PM SHRI ZPHS High School.
Okay. Next step, wishes. How do we wish on Independence Day? Yeah. How do we wish? I wish you. Yes. Okay. Wishes are over. Then introducing the topic. What is the topic?
Independence.
So how do we introduce to audience?
Today is Independence Day and we are celebrating 79th Independence Day of our country.
Okay, fine. Good. Sit down. So, introduction of the topic is nothing but what we are going to talk will be told to the audience. Okay, today I am going to talk about the importance of Independence Day. Like this, you can introduce the topic. Then, detailed explanation. To give this explanation, you must know about independence. Okay, when did we get independence? How did we get it? What happened in the past? Okay, so you have to tell all the things. For this, you need to search some books for the information. You have to collect the information because that information may not be in our knowledge. So, whenever you are going to give a speech, you must have some knowledge of that topic. How do we get that knowledge? From books. Nowadays, people are using Google, YouTube. Okay? So, we can collect information from anywhere and write down the information of the topic, then learn it. Explanation is the most important step in this speech, okay, in this discourse. Finally, we have to give suggestions to the audience, or we can remind them their and ours duties regarding that topic. And what we have to do now. Past that is happened. Now what we have to do, what we must do, what are our duties, what steps should be taken, all these should be told in this step. Then finally, conclusion. A big sigh of relief can see in your faces, right?
Yes.
Huh? Conclusion అమ్మయ్య అయిపోయింది. Right? Conclusion. Conclusion means closing of the speech. We cannot close this abruptly, suddenly. Wherever we can't stop the speech. We have to close the speech in a proper way. Okay? So these are the steps in speech. Is that clear? How many of you understood? Very good. Very good. This is all about speech. Now, we have some students from your class who prepared for a speech on the importance of independence. So, let's welcome Aksa Tarannum onto the stage to give her speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected headmasters, our teachers, and my dear friends. I am Aksha Tarunam from 7th English Medium. Today is 15th August and we are celebrating 79th independence of our country. This day reminds us the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters whose effects give us the Independence Day. Our great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai and others fought for the independence of India. We must respect all the freedom and freedom fighters of our country. We make our country the best country in the world. We should proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thank you for giving the big opportunity.
That was a nice speech, right? Has she followed all the steps? Yes. Okay, fine. Now let's welcome Sai Charan.
Respected headmaster sir and teachers, my dear friends. My name is K. Sai Charan and I am studying 7th English Medium and I am honored to stand here to speak on this special day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. This year we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. India became free from British rule. It is a day to remember the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. This courage and determination gave us the gift of freedom. Independence Day reminds us our duty to our national. We should work hard and stay united at place and make our country is proud at last. I want to say that I am proud at last. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
That was a nice speech. Now it's time for Ram Charan. Let's welcome him. Big round of applause.
Good afternoon to all respected sirs, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I wish everyone a happy Independence Day. I am honored to stand here today to speak on this special day. First of all, I wish everyone a happy Independence Day. This year we are celebrating the 79th Independence Day of India. As we all know, on August 15, 1947, India became free from British rule. It is a day to remember the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. Their courage and determination gave us the gift of freedom. Independence Day reminds us the duty to our national. We work hard, stay united, and make our nation work hard, stay united, and make our country is proud. At last, I want to say that I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Very good, Ramcharan. Thank you. Be seated. How to write the speech script here. And after that, some students have given their speeches. Did you like it? Yes. How are these speeches? Will you please give me full sentence? Yes, the speeches are very nice. And here I am going to give you some important things to follow when you are giving a speech on the stage. So here, you have to be very confident when you speak on a topic. It may be 2 to 3 minutes. So when you are speaking something for 2 to 3 minutes on the stage before so many audience, you have to be very confident and don't get nervous. Okay? This is the first thing. And when you are writing the script, when you write this script, you just add some popular quotes, quotations, quotations, relevant quotations you can use here. And when you are standing on the stage, your body language should be very apt. You can't stand like this. You can't hold mic like this, right? Okay. So you have to stand properly and use the stage. So our body language should be very clear, clean, and apt. You have to handle the mic properly. When you are using a mic, you have to hold mic like this, not like this. If you are holding mic like this, your voice can't reach to the audience. And when you are pronouncing pa, ba, tha, da, okay, you have to hold the mic like this. Expressions. Whatever you are saying in your speech, that should be expressed in your face. If it is a happy moment, you have to express happy expression. Courage of the people. You have to be very bold in your voice. You have to show boldness in your voice. Okay? Facial expressions and also expression in tone also. No repetitions. In some speeches, speakers, when they go wrong, they go back to the same sentence again. They repeat the sentence. Okay? He fought for the country. He fought for the country. He fought for the country. Like this, you repeat the sentence. Don't do that. And last but not the least, you have to add apt vocabulary to be very apt to the topic. Is that clear? So when you are preparing a speech script, follow all these steps, follow all these things. And when you are speaking on the stage, follow all these suggestions. Is that clear? So how many of you want to give a speech on Independence Day on the stage? Okay, fine. Good. So prepare your script, show it to me.